Y'all gonna have to deal with me on this camera deal. I can't figure it out. I'm getting there. I can actually get the whole tractor in the picture now, so, you know. But, anyway, here's what we're up to. The solenoid on this thing has went bad. And there's the new one. So, we hope that's all it is. We don't know for sure, but we're gonna get this starter off. You got to take both of the stinking fuel filters off to get the starter off of it. There's a bolt back in there behind that solenoid, just to the side of that solenoid in the starter, and we got to take it out. And you can't get nothing in there to get it out with the fuel filters on there. And it's just it's really a pain, really bad. I was trying to get it off without taking them filters off, but I don't know how it's going to work out. I'm going to have to go over to the other shop and get a 8-inch extension for a 3-inch drive and see if I can do that. I had a 1/2-inch drive. That's probably a 10 or a 12. And it goes in behind the injector pump right there, and you can't get a hold of, it comes too far back here. You can't get in there to it. So that was a no-go this morning, right off of the bat. But I got the bottom boat out. The top one right there is loose with the ground cable on it. Get it drugged back out and get that one over there out. I think I can drop a starter right down and get it out of there, but it's very much a pain. Last time we took the filters off of it, you could get to that back boat pretty easy. I don't want to take the filters off of it, guys. Safety first. I wrapped the hot cable up here. Shouldn't have nothing on it, but I wrapped it up anyway and made sure to take it off, clean that post a little. You guys know, after burning my finger about off, that wasn't a pleasant experience, and I don't want to go there again. So anytime you're fooling with a 12-volt system or bigger, be sure, well, it really don't matter, even if it's 6-volt, be sure to take the hot cables off. Guys, I'm telling you, that's a pain you don't want. I done it, I know. I learned my lesson right there on that, and I'm hard to learn sometimes, but anyway. All right, weenies. So we back out to work. I know that it worked this way after all this weather. A lot of water lines froze and broke. This one ain't froze, but where the ground thawed back and forth, and people drove over it right on the edge of the road. The gas truck come the other day to deliver gas, and I think he might have done the number on it. So it run down the road, got all the road iced over, all that goody. Got it dug out here and found it. It's been repaired before, so we're going to try to repair it again and get it back together and get the water back on for these folks. This is a rental house, so you guys stay tuned, and I'll try to get you more content as I can. All right, weenie, we put sawdust in there on top of that thing to kind of cushion it, so we're going to cover this mess back up now. Alright guys, so we've got the groundhog loaded up here on the banger. Went over on the home place, dug the old trailer out, and got it ready to come over here. Sorry I didn't get any more about that water line on here, guys. It was very, very cold. I didn't feel like fooling with that mess, and I just didn't want to video. It was so cold, so I went ahead and got that covered up. It was a mucky, muddy mess. I'll have to go back at some point and work on that. But the groundhog's loaded up. It's doing good. I've not got it tied down. I went over there, and it's just right over there, so I didn't tie it down. Not like it was going anywhere. But yeah, so stay tuned in for the next video. We'll probably have the old truck bed trailer out and maybe over here by then, and we can hopefully I can video some of working on that and getting it ready. But I got some dirt I need to move around here and some cleaning up I got to do here at my place, because my place is starting to look skanky looking. It ain't starting, it's been for a long time, but I'm fixing to start cleaning up around here on some things. So we'll use that old trailer to haul a lot of stuff off. I have some dirt to move, and I've got some garbage that I need to haul off, and it'll work good for that as well. Might even load some scrap metal up and haul off with it too, who knows. But thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I try to get you something out as soon as I can. It's just this weather has kept everything slow, and been very cold and wet and just nasty. So thank you guys for the support. Thanks for subscribing and watching. Everybody stay tuned in. You weenies keep on cranking.